This is the simplest way to do crochet braid. If you want to learn how to do this the easy and simplest way, then let's go. First of all, you have to section the hair to your desired size, and remember that this hair, because you don't know how you'll be packing it, you have to braid this hair one after the other, just like you're doing your normal box braid pattern, so that if you want to pack it up, you can pack it up. Don't weave it straight at the back, just one by the back and the side, so you can lift it to any direction. Then while weaving the second line, you can now add that one that you had braided and left aside, that one there. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gift Uchechi, and on this channel we do everything hair and makeup. So if you want to learn how to braid your hairs or even weave them, then this is the right place to be. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, share to your friends and family, and I want to hear your thoughts about this video. Now after the braiding, it's time for you to start crocheting. Get your crochet pin, pass it through the hair like the roots of the hair, and pass your pin through it and knot. Pass each of them one after the other. So you keep repeating this process until you fill the entire scalp. So guys, I want to hear your thoughts. Was this useful? Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. If you are yet to click the subscribe button, please smash that subscribe button. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.